If your Lenovo Digital Pen 2 is not working, you may notice that it stops responding completely or doesn't register input on the screen. In some cases, it may connect but still fail to write or interact properly. These issues are usually related to battery problems, connectivity settings, or device compatibility. Some of the most common symptoms include the pen not writing at all, delayed or lagging strokes, or inconsistent input while drawing or taking notes. You might also notice that the buttons don't work, or that the pen disconnects randomly during use. The most common cause is a weak or dead battery, which can prevent the pen from functioning properly. Other causes include incorrect Bluetooth pairing, outdated drivers, or compatibility issues with your Lenovo device. Physical wear, such as a damaged pen tip, can also affect accuracy and responsiveness. To fix the issue, start by replacing the battery with a new one and checking that the pen tip is securely installed. Next, go into your Bluetooth settings and reconnect the pen to your device. Make sure your system and drivers are fully updated. Then restart your device to apply all changes. After completing these steps, test the pen in a drawing or note-taking app to confirm it's working correctly. Check for smooth writing, proper pressure sensitivity, and stable connection. If the problem continues, the pen itself may be faulty and need replacement.